Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing amazing fact how you can complete computer science course from Harvard University. This course is completely free. Please watch this full video. Following step by step. You need to open edx.org, register. This simply you can create your account. I'm logging here. You can search here computer science. CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. Click here. You can enroll here. You can learn here step by step. If you need a Harvard University certificate, you can upgrade your course. $149. If you want to join in this course live class, join this link. Here was register link. If you like our video, please thumbs up, and if you have any problem, comment below and subscribe our channel. Thank you.